You want to apply but you're scared na baka scam si client? You can actually check the client sa OnlineJobs.Ph platform mismo. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. I'm Suarez and this is Remote Moms Movement. To begin, just enter this address sa address bar mo. So it's www.onlineJobs.ph/jobseekers/employer search. So this is how it's going to look like. From here, you just need to enter the name of the client, or you can also use their email address. Once you put it in, just click on Search Employer, and then OnlineJobs.Ph will give you recommendations based on the data that they have for that particular email address or name. So as you can see here, itong email address na ginamit natin is not found in their system. Pero it doesn't necessarily mean naman daw na yung employer is invalid. It could be that they may be using a different email address to contact you. And you can actually tell the employer na you're not able to validate their information. And you can actually refer them here so that they can check it for themselves. Let's try a different address. Now, if the email address is available on the system, sasabihin din ni OnlineJobs.Ph yun. And it will tell you kung ano yung plan ni client. So as you can see here, this email address is currently under a free account. And usually the free accounts kasi, they're not allowed to contact freelancers. That's why they're saying here na if the client contacted you, they might be using a different email address that has a paid subscription sa platform nila. They will also tell you kung may mga complaints na na-receive for that particular employer. And it will also show you kung merong mga job posts na currently open under sa email address na to. So there, that's one way that you can verify if legit si client. And amazingly, you can do that sa OnlineJobs.Ph platform in itself. So if you find this video helpful, please like it. And also remember to subscribe and hit the bell button para you're always updated if we have new videos uploaded sa channel natin. Thanks again for watching.